Monday, June 3rd. The weather was pretty bad yesterday, so this is the weekend update. These are Bignanigans and Bigbone pups. Just almost 4 weeks now, these guys. Starting to get around. A lot more leg on these little guys than the Bogo Trito pups. Okay, you're noisy. There's a little blue female. That's the other female. Another female. There's 3 females. This is the 3rd female. This dark one is a male. This is a male. Dilute muzzle. Gray. Silver gray muzzle. And this is another male. Nice looking pups. Yeah, yes, you're most verbal. We give you that award. They're just starting to get dry food. What do you see out there? Yeah, I hear you. We hear you. We all hear you. What's your case, miss? What's your issue? Hi. That's Bignanigans over there. I put mom out there just to. You don't know what you're complaining about. You got food, you got water, you don't know what to make for me yet. You're just deciding if I'm safe or not. Ruff, ruff. Oh, you have your doubts. Okay, watchdog. Okay, watchdog. That's a male. Yeah. Yeah, you're making all the noise. Shut up. Alright, well, that's enough of this, I think. We'll start to see, stay tuned to see if this little blue silver is always bitching or not. Thus far, she's the most verbal. But that could just be today. If you're not familiar with the program, please visit the website. The exact percentages of these pups will be in the description on the YouTube and also on the website. Basically, this is what we call a farm and ranch dog. And that's mom over there. Dad, we'll get dad and mom in another video. They were in the last. These are intended to be good with other animals. They're a modified livestock guardian, not as independent as a pure livestock guardian, but more obedient, more biddable, effectively more versatile than a pure livestock guardian.